The mean distance from Ceres to the Sun is 2.8 astronomical units. How far is this in kilometres? So we know that 1 astronomical unit is worth 1.5 times 10 to the 8 kilometres. Here we're trying to do 2.8 astronomical units. To go from 1 to 2.8, we multiply by 2.8. So we need to do the same on this side, which would give us 4.2 times 10 to the 8. So the answer is 4.2 times 10 to the 8 kilometres. Venus has an orbit around the Sun that is more circular than any other planet. Its mean distance from the Sun is 0.72 astronomical units. What is this value in kilometres? So again, very similarly to last time, we know that 1 astronomical unit is worth 1.5 times 10 to the 8 meters. We only have 0.72, so therefore we need to divide by 0.72. So doing the same onto this side gives us 1.08 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. So the answer 1.08 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. At a particular point in its orbit, a comet is 425 million kilometers from the Sun. How far is this in astronomical units? So again, we can set it up in the same way. We know that 1 astronomical unit is worth 1.5 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. But this time we've got 425 million kilometers. So what do we need to do to get from 1.5 times 10 to the 8 to 425 million? Well, we need to multiply by 2.83. So we'll do the same to this side, which means that it is 2.83 astronomical units away. The mean distance from Uranus to the Sun is 2.87 times 10 to the 9 kilometers. How far is this in astronomical units? So again, 1 astronomical unit is worth 1.5 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. And in this one we have 2.87 times 10 to the 9. So we know to do that we need to multiply by 19.13. So we need to do the same to this side, leaving us 19.13 astronomical units. Vesta is the brightest asteroid in the main belt. It orbits the Sun at a mean distance of 2.36 astronomical units. How far is this in kilometers? So again, astronomical units, kilometers. 1 astronomical unit is worth 1.5 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. We've got 2.36 astronomical units. So obviously to get from 1 to 2.36, we multiply by 2.36. We do the same on this side, which will give us 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Hopefully I got that right. And it says that we need to give our answer in standard form. So therefore, onto an appropriate number of significant figures. So I'm going to use the same as the question, which is 3. That will be 3.54 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 to the 8 kilometers. At one particular time, an SSSO in the Kuiper belt is 7.8 times 10 to the 9 kilometers from the Sun. How far is this in astronomical units? So again, we're just using the same conversion that we've been using the whole time. This time it's 7.8 times 10 to the 9 kilometers. So what do we need to multiply by? We need to multiply by 52. So we're going to do the same over here. So therefore it is 52 astronomical units away. The closest star to our own is Proxima Centauri, which is in the constellation of Centaurus the Centaur. This star is 4.24 light years away. How many astronomical units is this? Give your answer to the nearest 10,000 astronomical units. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to convert between light years and kilometers. So we should know that 1 light year is the same as 9.5 times 10 to the 12 kilometers. We don't have 1 light year, we have 4.2. So to get from 1 to 4.2, we obviously multiply by 4.2. So we're going to do the same on this side. So 9.5 times 10 to the 12 multiplied by 4.2 gives us 4028. Followed by many zeros there. Hopefully I've got enough. We then need to convert this into light years, into astronomical units. So we therefore need to divide it by 1.5 times 10 to the 8. So we're going to take our number there, which is 4.028 times 10 to the 13, and we're going to divide it by 1.5 times 10 to the 8 to turn it into astronomical units, which gives us 268,537. Now it says it wants us to the nearest 10,000, so that will be looking here. So therefore it's going to be 270,000 astronomical units. Okay, to the next one, to the nearest order of magnitude, how many times is the distance to the nearest star 4.24 light years greater than the distance from the Sun to the outermost planet Neptune, which is 30 astronomical units away? Well, luckily, in the previous question we just worked out that 4.24 light years is equivalent to 270,000 astronomical units. So that's the distance to the nearest star, and then the distance to Neptune is 30 astronomical units. So therefore we want to know how many times greater that distance is. So we would do 270,000 divided by 30. So 270,000 divided by 30 is going to be 9,000. And then it says it wants it to the nearest order of magnitude. So order of magnitude are multiples of 10. So you can see that this is in the thousands. So it would be the order of magnitude 10 to the 4.